Get ready for a completely different type of workshop. Hi, my name is Breelyn and I will be your trainer. If you ever communicate to any size group of people, whether it's 2 or 200, this course is for you. The skills you'll take away from these sessions will change your life, and I'm not exaggerating. You may dislike public speaking, you may even despise it, but our curriculum is engaging, entertaining, and of course, effective. You won't even realize you're engaging in public speaking. We will get to discuss and explore 3 main pieces of communication: nonverbal language, verbal language, and spoken and written word. You'll be surprised at which one actually carries the most weight in your message. My favorite part of my job as a trainer is the inevitable moment that each trainee has when the light bulb goes off at some point during the training, the aha moment, the light at the end of the tunnel, whatever that huge takeaway that makes you just go click. I promise you'll have a moment like this. You'll be able to quiet the nerves and turn up the volume on your important message, no matter the audience. I'll see you at your training. I can't wait to get started.